Ciao Tesla people. Today I'm going to do a charge at the Supercharger here in Florence because this weekend I'm going to do some road trips, probably in the Chianti region. And also I wanted to check on the way to go to the Supercharger before the airport, there is a speed camera. So I wanted to see if the update that we had for the European navigation data would update that and would signal and show on the map that speed camera. So just a curiosity, because that speed camera is there for probably more than a decade, so it should be on the list. Last time when I went, I think I didn't have the holiday update yet. Or maybe no, I just updated, but the speed camera wasn't there on the screen, and maybe because the European data navigation wasn't there. I'm not sure. So we'll check that. I'll turn on the camera when I get there, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, bye. So I'm close to the speed camera, and let me put you here. I'm navigating there. So here's the speed camera. So let me drive a bit more. So this orange icon here is the speed camera. So looks like they updated, the list is now updated. So it's there. Last time it wasn't there. And it's in about 200 meters maybe. So here is the speed camera, right there, the orange icon. Very interesting. So the EU navigation data updated and listed the speed camera. Very cool. Now I'm going to show you where is the speed camera. So I'm very close by. Of course, I need to slow down. There it is. That's the speed camera.
200 meters, bear right onto the 11 Roadster.
Anyway, so that's the update that I wanted to check, and it's working. Cool.
Bear right onto the 11 Roadster.
See you in a bit. So I just got here to the Supercharger. I'm at 42%. I'm going to charge until 85%. Let's see how it goes. No, it's not this. Looks like it's doing good. Blue, 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 blue. Green. Cool. Great. So let's check here what it's doing. And I did preheat the battery. So it's charging at, sorry, it's charging at 180, no, 109, 111 kilowatts. 115, that's pretty good. 127, 130, wow. 34, 36, it's pretty cool. It's going up. 138, and I'm at 43%, and the charge right now is at 0.46 euro per kilowatt hour. It decreased because before was 0.49, no, 56 or something like that. It's much cheaper now. So I'm charging 134.30. Pretty good, pretty good. Nice. I'll stay here. Oh, it says half an hour. So I'll do some work and I'll see you in a bit. So I'm almost 85%, 84. The session is 17 euros and I charge 37 kilowatts. And I'm still charging at 43 kilowatts. And it says 5 minutes remaining, but it's much less for sure. Anyway, so almost there. Yep. So before there was some steam coming out from the front of the car, and that's the heat pump. It's kind of well, it's not that cold. It's 10 Celsius, but it's normal. So basically the battery gets warm and the heat pump gets warm and it does some steam. Nothing to worry about. So the session is 17.25 euros, and charge is complete. So let me unlock the charge port. Let me get out. And let's remove the, and that's it. Close. Very cool. So the session is done. Everything went well. Now I'm going back home, and tomorrow I'm going to do some road trip to the Chianti region. I'm going to leave my Tesla referral in the description. If you plan to buy a Tesla, use my referral. You get up to 3 months of free FSD, and also you can do a test drive for Tesla. Use my referral. I also have the links about all the accessories that I install on my Model Y. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications if you're already subscribed, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.